Hey guys, my name is Sean, and we're gonna open more cases! Yes! Yay, fun! Yay, fun. Okay, we have 3 Operation Breakout cases, 1 Huntsman, 1 Esports Summer, 1 Vanguard. Let's open our first breakout case. Let's go! I want that butterfly knife, dude. I've been practicing with my phone, my case simulator, man. Oh my goodness, that was a pink right there. Man. Stupid urban hazard. Oh my goodness. No one even likes you. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Well, first thing, it's field tested to an urban hazard. Let's go Vanguard. Wasteland Robe would be good. Fire Elemental. Wear Special Item. Basilisk Griffin. Cartel. The Grinder would be cool. Yay. I got a blue. Is it a Murky? Yay, Murky. Murky, yay. Murky. That's minimal wear. Stupid Murky. By Operation, or not by, use, open. Operation Breakout. Come on, please. Please, Gabe. Oh, foul play. Oh, sorry. No! Stat Trek Cyrex, man. Oh, there's a Stat Trek Supernova right there too, P250. Oh my goodness. Gaben's trolling, man. He's trolling hardcore. Let's go esports. What would I like here? Corsair Op, Corsair P2000, or Jaguar, or that very special item. Let's go. Come on, please. Please, something good. Oh, Jaguar! Oh my goodness. Hexane? What the heck? A CC? Is that, what is that? Is that factory new? It's minimal wear right there. Okay. Okay, Huntsman or Operation. Let's go Huntsman. Atomic Alloy would be great. Vulcan would be great. Huntsman Knife would always be great. Anything besides a blue. Come on. Anything besides a blue would be great. At this point. Oh, Stat Trek came in right there. Oh my god, another module? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a blue, it's another, let's see. What's that? It's factory new. Factory new right there, let's change it there. So it could be different colors, oh my gosh. Oh, last thing. Last case. Cyrex Y. Butterfly knife. It's so awesome. Please. Anything besides the blue. Oh, Cyrex! Yes! Oh my god! Yes! Oh, yes! Oh my gosh! Oh my... Factory new! Oh my goodness! It's factory new! How much is that? Thank you, Gaben! Oh my god. Oh my... That's $71! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Thank you. I love you. Oh my goodness. Ow. Oh yes. The final case too. What a coincidence. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, thank you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, Cyrex. Factory new. That looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys for watching. I'm in love. It's so beautiful.